Hi, Bill the Artist here. Just a quick little update and you're going to see a very quick tour of my studio in the mess that it is in, with me just waffling. Anyway, I am nearly there and it will be sorted soon and then I can get on with work. So enjoy the mess that is my studio in the process of being tidied up. Just so you can all see, my studio is still a mess, but like I say, there's a pile of how to draw videos, and up the corner up there there's still more how to draw videos. There's my easel with the painting that hopefully I might be able, if my suppliers, again I'm still waiting on stuff, can get back in soon, and it's TT time. But like I say, even though this does look a mess, hopefully, and today is Sunday the 7th of June, it will be finally tidy today. If not today, then tomorrow, and then I can basically crack back on with work. Anyway, I hope you are all well and doing okay and enjoying yourselves, and that all your family and friends are fine. Anyway, that's a very, very quick little video about the mess that is my studio and why I'm having to sort stuff out, because I've been working up here now for a long time and it basically needs sorting. So that's what I'm doing, and we are nearly there. Like I say, just good clean out and then I can crack on back with some more work. Anyway, you guys take care and I'll see you in the next video.